Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode we have this cool amazing product right here in my hand, and basically what this is a makeup mirror. This one in particular actually has more than one mirror that you can use, and for each one it actually has a different magnification that's on the actual product itself. So if you can see it from further away or closer or whatever, which is really cool. So first thing first, I'm actually opening up the product to show you guys what it actually looks like first and what is actually included inside. Alright, so when you guys first open it up, you guys can see that is basically what it looks like right here. So right here is the actual product itself. So let me actually take out everything else inside here first. So it looks like this is the base of the actual product itself to hold it up. They do provide guys the cable, which is USB to micro USB right here. And last but not least, they do provide guys an instruction manual to teach you guys how to set up product and how to use it. And that is basically everything that's in the package itself. Now let's actually take out the product to show you guys what it actually looks like. So like I mentioned, here's the top part. So all we need to do is just stick this part inside right here. Alright, so once you guys snap it in, this is basically what it should look like. And obviously, if you guys ever need to take it off from the actual base itself, you guys can just open it from right here and take it off really easily. So this is the front part. If you take a look on the back part right here, this is basically what it looks like right here. So there's an on and off switch right here, and then here's the battery compartment right here. So if you guys open up the battery compartment right here, you can see that I used a bunch of battery right here. So you do need to use 4 of these AAA batteries to power it on. Otherwise, you can plug in a cable, which is the cable that they provide for you guys to power it on. So for this test, I'm going to use a cable to test it out to show you guys how it works. But before I do, let me actually open up the inside to show you guys what it actually looks like. So once we open it up, you guys can see that this is basically what the product looks like right here. So you can see the ones right here, the 1X right here, and there's a light that will pop up here later on once we plug it in. And then right here is the 2X, and right here is the 3X. So you can see stuff much clearer. So if I show it to you guys in that angle, you guys can see that this is basically what it looks like. So these two right here are the same thing, if you can see right there. And then this one right here is zoomed in by 2 times. And this one is 3X, if you can see how much closer it is. So obviously for this product, you guys probably want to use it to do makeup or whatever. But if you guys want to just use it daily to check up on yourself, to look at your skin, look at your face. And for these mirrors, usually you guys can actually fold it up like this. So you guys push it all the way down like that. Or you can pull it up all the way like that. And that's the furthest you can go. And you guys can't rotate it left and right, but you can go up and down for this one in particular right here, if I can see. So now let me actually plug in the cable to power it on to show you guys how well it works and how it actually works first. Alright, so I just want to plug in the cable right here in the back. And then once you guys plug it in, you guys can press on this button to activate it right here. So once we plug in the cable to activate the product itself, and you guys click on the switch in the back, the way how you guys turn on the LED light right here is by pressing this little button right here on the bottom. And you see that turns on right there. So that is basically what the product looks like once you guys activate it. And the cool thing about these mirrors is the fact that not only can you guys use it as a mirror, and not only the fact that you guys can actually use it as a LED light mirror as well, but the actual light itself is dimmable. So you guys press and hold down the button right here. You guys can see the light goes down. If you guys do it again, it brings it back up and it gets much brighter right there. So that's the brightest it can go right there. And obviously if you guys want to turn it off, press it 1 time. And it turns off. So that's basically everything that's on the product itself. If you guys can see, everything works pretty well. You definitely get a big mirror right here and a big mirror right here for doing the 1-time zoom or 1-time magnification, where the 2 times and 3 times is a bit smaller. And that's totally fine, because usually for the 2 times and 3 times, you guys won't be using it too often, unless you guys need to look up really closely, like near your skin or something, for any like pimples or any parts you need to like cover up or something. Those are probably what's more ideal for you guys to use for the zooming option. Otherwise, you can just use the normal one right here. But it's definitely really cool how they give you guys the option to use the 1 time, 2 times, or 3 times right here. And it has the LED light option here that is also dimmable, like I showed you guys in the test itself. So that is basically everything that's on the product itself. Now that we could unboxing and testing the product itself, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for me, honestly, I definitely have to say that these mirrors are super worth it if you guys want one or need one of these. Especially if you need to look at yourself all day to do makeup or whatever, then these are definitely super awesome and super worth it. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or haven't one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys, so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.